Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Hope you all had a great weekend. And we'll start today with Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll review all the major indices, including NASDAQ, S&P 500, Dow Jones, Russell. We'll review all the commodities, and at the end, we'll review some stocks you guys asked me to review. All right, guys, please hit the like button. Only takes 1 second to hit the thumbs up button. I would really appreciate that. And share this channel with friends and family and help it grow. All right, so Bitcoin live market right now down around 1%, and you can see it's just chopping around here in front of this massive downtrend line. And this is the daily chart. We're getting a 8 count sell signal. So last time we got 8 count sell signal, we had a drop here. From the time we got it to the bottom is around 18%. Here we had a 8 count sell signal, but still it went higher, made a new high, and then came down. So this signal here we got signal, then it went down a little bit, and then again it went down. So it's not the most reliable, but even if we get that signal, it means we need to be cautious because it can go higher and then make a low. All right, but we have to take into account a lot of other indicators, and one of the major indicators is PPO. Green line is above red line. You can see here, this is one of the major indicators which I really trust instead of the sell signals. And then also we have a green line on a green dot on RSI. So technically, I don't see any change. This is still a higher low, trying to make another lower high and then again go high in this small trend. So it could be, so basically this is a higher low here. This is a higher low compared to this. This is a smaller time frame change in trend, but if we can find support here and then bounce, this is still gonna be um, a nice uptrend. Okay, so we're trying to make a higher low in this bigger downtrend, and then sorry about that, and then we're gonna go make a new high if we find support here and then bounce. Now indicators are telling me unless green line goes below red line, I'm not gonna be shorting this and I'm not gonna be selling my bitcoins. Okay, so just hold it and see, looking for a pump. There's a Fed rates decision coming this week. Sorry, around Wednesday. Tuesday is the meeting. They're gonna raise, not raise. Sorry, they're gonna lower by at minimum 25 basis point, and market is thinking they could even do zero point 0.5 because the data recently is really bad. So we'll see how it goes. All right. Ethereum is weaker than Bitcoin. Still, this low needs to hold. This low needs to hold compared to this low. Still higher low. It can go higher. Now, Ethereum futures, multiple gaps. All these yellow size lines are gaps to fill. So Ethereum has more potential to go higher than Bitcoin, but Bitcoin really needs to support and pump from here. This is BTC futures. There's a gap here around 61,915. Let's say 62. That's going to be filled 100%. So we'll see. So probably from where we are right now to that gap fill, we're looking for minimum 5.3% pump. Probably with Fed's decision, the pump is going to start. So that's what I'm looking for. And just to give you levels, if you want to day trade, so here you go. Here are the levels. Those who are new, green lines are where we buy, red lines are where we sell. This is only for day trading, for quick trade, not for long term. And if you want to know more about this, join my channel. There's a description, there's a join button in the channel description. Click on it. I share with you these levels every hour. And let me know your user ID. Put a comment in YouTube, your user ID, and I'll move you to Discord only channel group. All right, where I share these updates with all my subscribers. All right, so let's move to traditional market, S&P 500. Let's do cycle analysis, and here you go, SPX chart. So let me bring that in. Here you go. So we are in a rising phase of this white. So focus on this white circle. We're in this rising phase, and this rising phase is going till end of September. All right. So from where we are right now, I'm looking for around 2 weeks of this rising phase. So I'm not looking for a major decline. I'm looking for this rally to make a new high. There is a gap, this yellow line around 56.63. Looking for that gap to fill, make a new high, and then a decline from end of September to mid of October, all right, and then a decline and then a massive rally to end the year. So this is the new updated chart. So looking for still rising phase next couple of weeks. Do not looking to short this market. Let it ride, all right. And let's go back to this our famous buy and sell indicator. Here you go. I share this with my subscribers. I share these levels. Any stocks you want, I will also share with my subscribers. So feel free to join. And live market is here, just trying to cool down a bit. We'll see. And Right now it's going towards neutral zone, so still it can go higher above 56.43. First resistance, second is 56.61, third resistance is 56.80. All right, Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is little weaker because of Apple. They're saying phones are not selling. iPhone 16 demand is low. So here you go, 2.4% down, going towards buy zone. So this is good. This is all good because Nasdaq can really pump. Right now, if I'll go look at triple Qs, you can see it's holding above all the moving averages, so that's good. So it can come for a back test and then bounce. There's a gap here around 495. That's my target. All right. So from where we closed on Friday to the target, I'm looking for at least 4.26% pump, and that will be maybe from now until end of the month. We can go and fill this gap. Okay. So that will be my target to take profits. Dow Jones. Dow Jones is already in the sell zone, all right, so you should be looking to take profits. Let's see if it goes down. But on a daily chart, making a new high, is trying to make a new high. So this is an indicator bull market is on. Dow Jones is all the blue chip stocks trying to make a new high. This is what you need to see in a bull market. Russell 2000 is in near sell zone, so trying to cool down a bit. Also nice bounces of this 200 EMA. You can see blue line bounce, blue line bounce, blue line bounce. 7 counts buy signal we got a couple of days ago and now trying to make higher. IWM, there's a massive gap here. It will be filled. I don't know when, but it could make a new high and then come back. So just keep that in mind. Just be a little bit cautious here. Uh, Toronto Stock Exchange, I think it's already made a new high. There you go. TSX finally made a new high. Very, very bullish. Just keeps going up in the sell zone. So look to take profits. China Hang Seng Index was in the buy zone, bounced from the buy zone this morning. You can see around last night around 9 o'clock, and now trying to make an uptrend. It got a 9 counts buy signal now in front of major resistance, so maybe cool down a bit and then it can go higher as well. But on a day trading chart, look for it to go back to buy zone below 17,222. Let's quickly review stocks. Tesla is right now in the neutral zone and above this white trend line. So this is good news. So next target from here it will be the push around 246. Apple is in the buy zone. Like I said, you can see this is not where you want to be shorting Apple. Look to buy at the open. I think Apple is gonna recover really nicely. Amazon is also going towards neutral zone. Netflix is also near sell zone. Google still has a lot of room to go. All the near sell zone short term, but on a daily chart telling a lot of high prices are possible. Meta Facebook is also near sell zone, but again, it's a bull trend and there are a couple of gaps on Meta. Look for a gap fill here. Snowflakes is wait, let it pull Snowflake. Here you go. Divergences. Snowflake could be the next trade of the century. Massive potential, possible snowflakes. A lot of upside potential. So do not look to short, look to add snowflakes in my opinion. Microsoft also, there are two yellow gaps here. Look to buy that. And then NVDA, little bit cool down. But there's a gap fill around this one, 125. It will fill at some point. So just keep that in mind. This is still a high low. It can still go high and make a new high from here. Commodities, real quick. Gold already new high, looking very bullish with divergences in PP and RSI. Not interested to buy here. I look to buy at the bottom, not at the top. Silver, same thing here. Copper above all moving averages. Very nice bullish candle today. This is a buy candle. Okay, above all moving average. This is a breakout candle. So copper is looking very bullish. Crude oil is recovering. Last couple of days recovered after 8 counts buy signal. Still, it can go higher up to $71. It can go higher than find resistance here. Natural gas is in the neutral zone, again above all moving averages, consolidating, maybe looking ready to go to the next leg higher. Palladium, massive, massive bounce from last couple of days. You can see it was beating, going down like anything, now recovering very, very fast. Soybeans, you can see bouncing from the buy zone, also trying to make a bottom. All commodities should be taking a bit because interest rates going to be going lower. So I think commodities are expecting that and then trying to go higher. Wheat just found resistance where it should in near 200 EMA SMA. So maybe after Fed's decision, it will break out. And corn also, you can see above all moving averages trying to go higher. Somebody asked me cocoa. Let's look at cocoa. It's near neutral zone and massive bounce from the bottom. Now price is looking very good. Let's see if it can hold above all moving averages, then it can bounce. So came very close to 200 EMA SMA, looking very healthy. This looks like a consolidation, like a flag, like a triangle. It's going to break out probably to the upside again. Dollar index DXY. So DXY in the buy zone short term. It also near multiple year support. Here you can see nice support here since 2022. Now if Feds lower the rates, it's going to crash. All right, so it's going to go lower. We'll see. And let's look at wicks. Wicks, there's a gap. So I updated wicks chart. The gaps here, all these green lines. There's a gap around here 16. There's a gap around 15. There's a gap around 14. So I think all these gaps will be filled from where we are to the bottom gap. It's going to be 15% down because I'm thinking SP is going to go higher. Like here, that's going to dump VIX even further. Somebody asked me to review Palantir. So you can see Palantir is going higher and multiple gaps. You can see all these green lines are the gaps to fill. But also you can see the thing which I don't like about Palantir is you can see there's divergence. You can see divergence here, divergence here. So price is making new high with lower momentum on PP and RSI. So I will be careful, all right? I'll be looking to take profits as soon as I can. You can draw a trend line like this. You can draw, let me hide moving averages so it's a bit clear. You can draw maybe some kind of a trend line. And if it breaks that trend line, that will be your sell signal, all right? So this is the uptrend, not the cleanest, but you can see multiple reactions. So if it breaks here, that will be a sell signal, and a gap here, gap here, gap here, multiple gaps. So be careful, look to take profits. That's all my suggestion. All right, guys, if you have any other stocks you want me to review, put a comment and I will see you later. Bye.